Yo, what is good, lads? How's everybody doing today? Oh, let's go. Alright, Gypsy, let's go to live trading server.
Yeah.
Alright, yo, what is good? Welcome back, everybody. Let's close that. looking good. Alright. Let's get this space poppin'. Let's see. Is everybody ready for the banger London session? GJ Gold. Alright, let's take a look at it. Let's go to the daily time frame. Gold. Ooh. Gold, we have a strong level up here. Okay, 17 flat. I think to 17.60 flat. Look at that daily level holding strong, but we got this nice daily candle on the side. Gold 4-hour time frame, 1939 flat. Gold 4-hour time frame is respecting those 1917 to 1916. Yeah, gold itself is respecting that level, so we'll have to see what we can do. On the other hand, 1939 to 1940. Yeah. Yep, it's a 4-hour rejection zone. On the 4-hour time frame. There you go. Okay, so we're looking at gold right now. Let's go down the time frames. Let's go 2-hour. So 3-hour. Yeah, that's the level we're looking at. 2-hour, 1 hour. Okay, it looks like 1915 is more of a significant level than yeah, let's see. Okay, let's go back to the 1-hour time frame. We got this nice clean traffic to look at above this 1-hour candle wick. 30-minute, yep, right over here at 1928. So we got our rejection zone from 1928, which is actually going lower over here to 1927 500. All right. So we got nice clean buys above this level. Yeah, I will definitely be taking buys above this level. 45-minute time frame, 1-hour time frame. Everything looks good above this level right over here. We'll re-enter the next range. Yeah, 1928 buys above that level should be good. Alright, so now let's look at this level over here. We have formed an hourly support around this level, right? So let's search, what is it, 1922. Okay, let's look at 1922 30-minute time frame. I definitely want to take it only below this 15-minute level. So 1922 to 1921 500. Alright, so you can see I want to take it below this 30-minute range to fill in this entire thing of 40 pips down there. Yeah, the 1 hour time frame also looks pretty decent. So what we're going to be waiting for is to see the 4 hour time frame drive down and break this support that we have right here, which we want to see gold do, right? We're right now watching gold slowly break down, right? So we are now in this minor bearish market structure after creating these lower highs and these higher highs and higher lows. We're looking at breaking down over here. Alright, so let's look into it. Vedant, what is good, my guy? Are you back in town? I have a feeling that when we break this previous 4 hour candle, we could have a mad thing going down to fill this wick. Not yet. You still end up enjoying those Singapore vibes, eh? That'll be the 1 hour lows, 30-minute lows. So yeah, we look at gold when we approach this level right over here. What time is this? Okay, this is alright. GJ is looking real nice. But GJ trade opportunities are a little bit scarce right now. I think below 300 would be the ideal trade for GJ, but let's see if we can create a small support down here, right over here, and break it. Then we can try to come and clear this entire range coming down 40 pips. Yeah, this is a 1 hour resistance. Let's see what gold does now. GJ and UJ looking same. In some cases UJ looking better. Alright. Vedant is absolutely partying hard in Vedant, you're in Singapore, right? If I'm not mistaken. Weekly levels over here around 700, 712, 718. Insane stuff. Have fun, my lad. Alright, so EJ, we're in this weekly level which we've rejected. Let's see the monthly time frame one. Interesting. So a whole ton of levels right over here on EJ. When we look at some of the monthly time frame candle wicks, you can see this is an important level, 400. I think 700 is also an important level. Yeah, 700, 650 level is important. We have the monthly resistance, which is at 530. Bring it down to 500. So let's go back to the weekly time frame. $19.35 would be a key level too. Okay, so let's look at EJ now. Let's go to the daily time frame. Is this a key level we can say on the daily, or is this a key level? 500. Actually at 600. Yeah, you can see 600 level clean. This other level is around the 200 level is good on the daily time frame. So now since you're coming down, I think this will be also key. 300. Yep, 300 is gonna be key. Yep. Alright, there you go. So now we're looking. You see the 300 level is below this 4-hour support, so that's good. So now we have one kind of confirmation for us. So this 3-hour, 2-hour, let's go down to that. Okay, that's pretty decent. On the 1-hour, this is a perfect level. So sells below, clean sells below this level. And yeah, EJ and GJ both, I think I'm waiting for this range to fill in, because I'm not seeing clean traffic to the upside. Yeah, I'm not seeing clean traffic. This is the 2-hour time frame, you know. Then we have to wait for some 2-hour candle closure. And if we are looking for buys on EJ or GJ, 45 minutes is the cleanest we can get above this 200 level. Yeah, 45 minutes is the cleanest you can get. So when you're looking at it, EJ is definitely cleaner than GJ, so that will be the first break, right? Yeah, but on the hourly, that's a little dangerous, but according to our time frame analysis, we would go with the 3-hour and 45 minute. Okay, so we're just gonna put a reminder, 3-hour slash 45 minute longs. Okay, so we're only gonna look for 3-hour and 45 minute longs, and for sells we're gonna wait for a 1-hour closure or a 30-minute closure easily below this level. Alright, plain and simple, guys. Plain and simple. Yesterday, Gypsy and I caught beautiful GJ sells in the New York session, and those are just the cleanest. I hope y'all were able to get some good trades in at NY session. So yeah, so I would actually be expecting 1922 does look like a good level to sell gold at. With this 15 minute, I'm waiting for this 15 minutes. So if we close below this level, we can continue down. Alright, so Mansa Musa. Mansa Musa, we're not up, we're not down, we're right where we started. Alright, you see this? We're right where we started. Here you go. The worst trades were these. Euro AUD, GBP AUD, that was straight up 3%. Then GJ.
Dude, got a drop off, be right back.
No problem. So those were some of the bad trades, but you can see again our risk management. So definitely this week we'll definitely look at making some progress. Let's see. Today I really am looking. I'm actively pursuing trades today. All right. So there you go. That's the update on the challenge account as of now. Man, we should have finished that challenge account like. Yeah, Kishore. I've removed those pairs completely. I shouldn't have even looked at it, and yeah, I paid the price for it. So yeah. Alright, so gold buys. Can we get some gold 15-minute buys once we break this level going up? No, let's see if we can retest the top of that range. GBP USD. Oof. Let's go here. I'm up 1.5%. That's amazing, Smita Surya. Amazing. For me, I'll tell you what, I made some really dumb mistakes. Look at this, okay? Look at right at the beginning, right up to where was that before EA and GA. Yep, right up to here I went up about 6.5% in profits, right? I was up 6.5%, $650, and then I just took quite a few L's. 1 on GJ and 2 on GJ and EA and GA. So yeah dude, there's lots of time, that's not a problem. Make sure we follow our trading plan and our trading discipline, and we should be back in it. We should be back in it. Let me just mark this up, 340. So GU is stuck in this consolidation. So you can see we have very clean longs once we break above this level. So GU is definitely going to be on top of our priority to keep looking at, keep our eyes on. GJ is coming down. Alright, gold also would be second in priority to, EJ and GJ are both like trying to determine where they want to go. What did the Euro news do? Negative Euro news. So yeah. My pairs GJ gold rare GBP AUD limited pairs means I'm cutting losses. Lost too much. Yeah. I think it's better to stay away from pairs you don't normally trade, which you don't recognize the price action easy. So I that's just my personal opinion. Like GJ, we know how GJ moves, we know how gold moves, we know how GU moves, so it's better to stick with that. Okay, GBP news in 2 hours and 5 minutes, and then we have USD news this evening. Alright, shouldn't be too bad. Let's search for a decent trade today. Let's go over all the time frames. 4 hour, lot of time left. 3 hour. This is the previous 3 hour high, which is made a higher low on EJ. That's the current 2 hour high. The current 2 hour is engulfing the previous 2 hour. So if the next 2 hour breaks the high, we should push up easily, closing above this resistance right over here at around 820. So we can take a nice little trade above 820. Alright, let's Akib Siddiqui. Yes, Magic Keys does work on Mac. Which reminds me, I gotta open my Magic Keys. Yep, here's Magic Keys open now. Magic Keys works on Mac. It's very easy to use. It's an amazing tool. Alright, let's look at GJ 4 hour. 4 hour, now we've created this top wick. That's the previous 3 hour. So this current 3 hour makes the lower back wick. Then this next 2 hour, we can break the top of that wick. 1 hour, and that is also the zone we're looking at getting above. Alright, so let's keep an eye on all these, okay? Gold, once we break this low, we should be good to continue. Physical or on screen? I think both are the same, Akib. I think both are the same. It's over here, you click it on the screen, and over there you just click it in person, right? So yeah. I actually prefer on screen. But yeah, I definitely want to get the physical keyboard also. Bro, add price alert on TradingView. Oh yeah, now we have Pro, right? I keep forgetting. Okay, so we can add a price alert here. Did it add? So it's set a price alert over here. Alright, gold, we will start looking at it once we hit this level. Price alert over here. Okay, that's awesome. Samita, thank you for the reminder that we have premium. Alright, that's good. So wait, what I can do is to open TradingView over here. Let's go. What is to reset? Control Alt R. Okay. Alright, so gold, we're looking at this level. GBP USD, we're looking at it at this level. GBP USD 2-hour time frame. Alright, we keep this open there anyway. EJ, what are we looking for on EJ? We're looking for price to approach this level or this level. So there you go, we got all the prices on screen. We got exactly what the market is doing right now on screen, so we can monitor all of it at the same time and see which one we want to take. This is the 3-hour resistance right over here. Alright, gold is reaching. Let's bring up the chart now. Alright. Gold, is this the first few minutes? Is this London open? Not yet. Let's see. Where can we have our stops? It's 26 pip stops. $20 pip stops if it's right above that. Alright, this 15 minute has no topic, nor does the 30 minutes, so I think we're gonna wait for it. This 1 hour candle looks really good, so okay, so we can take it. Sell stop below 350, 1921 350. Yeah, for the 1 hour to continue down, but what you'd like is for the price action to close below this level. So I'd say wait for the 15-minute candle closure. 15, yeah, because that'll be the first 15-minute candle to close outside of this range. Right from 300 to here. So waiting can give you that confirmation that you're looking for your, yeah, but by all means it should continue down. GJ, now after rejecting this level, this 30-minute candle flip should continue pushing price down. So let's see. Okay, let's see how far price can push down after this rejection. This would be 10. So yeah, so let's wait for gold to close below. And GBP USD does look like we're about to exit the screen. So let's see. The thing is, GJ is closing bearish and GU is closing bullish, so that's a little contradictory to both of them. Alright, let's see GU close above this level. Yeah, 45-minute candle closure above that level and we can take the trade. Yeah, that would be the first 15 and 45-minute candle to close above this level. Gold flipping up. We're waiting to see if gold can close above this level to get a little bit of a run up. All right, so let's do a census check. Like let's take a vote. Let's see how many of y'all are bullish on gold and how many of y'all are bearish on gold? Put it in the comment section. Drop a comment. Are you bullish or bearish on gold? Are you all bullish or bearish on gold? Let me know. As is bearish on gold. Let's go. Alright, let's see if GBP USD will close above the 45-minute range. Yeah, there you go. So we're just gonna wait. Now it's just a waiting game. Come on, guys, put it down in the comments. Are you all bullish or bearish on gold? What's popping off? GU buys, yes, this 45-minute time frame closure above this level should give us good GU buys. FX knowledge base. GJ is also pushing up. But what I like about that GJ move is now once it starts moving, right? One second. We're gonna have this support that's created, right? And then when we break this, we may be able to get some good positions, or we should just wait for the whatever happens lower. Okay, let's see. Euro JPY, yeah, Euro JPY, we needed to come up to 820 at least. Not pretty sure gold though, it is crazy. Yeah, that's true, Padmavati. Welcome back to the stream, Padmavati. Greetings everyone, you should give us a bang up. Penuel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I think it will range. Kishore, are you talking about gold? Are you talking about gold ranging? Geo is so close. Okay, gold. Yeah, gold does look like it'll range. Mm. If we are taking a trade on gold, it's just a quick scalp that we're looking at, to be honest. Yeah. Yeah, I think gold has some really good options. Especially because we've ranged so hard on gold, right? How much more time? Another 15 minutes left for London Open. Gold above this level should be pretty decent. Euro JPY. GU. Because left side some range area here, I will wait for breakout. Yeah, there is actually a little range area over here which you can wait for the breakout above here. But for me, I think we should be bullish on gold once we break above this level. I'm staying out of GJ for now. My setup is not showing. My setup for now. My setup is showing me a short. Yeah, on GJ even we're staying out. We're gonna wait for the break of 161 500. Sorry, 300, where we have a nice little 50 pip range down to the next 160 800. Samita, gold 5 minutes. Let me take a look at it. Oh wow, that is a joke. Gold 5 minutes is a joke. Don't even look at it. But I'll tell you what, when we see gold ranging, we know that there's a big breakout incoming. Yeah, if you scan that, you're probably gonna get some grocery item. Euro JPY, okay, Euro JPY coming close. I think EJ may give us a little buy banger, but we have to close above this level. That's a so at that point we'll be creating a new 4-hourly high once we break that. So we need to wait for the 45-minute candle to close. Okay, so I'll take this buy once we break the previous 45-minute candle going up. Yeah. Okay, wait, there's some news in, guys. Careful, careful, there's some news. The market is moving very volatile, okay? Stay careful. So if we are to use buys, it should be up at 835. Because right now, can you see there's some volatility that's come into the market? So if you look at GU, we closed above. Right, but we closed right at the level at 050, so that's not a move. There's some volume that's come into the markets. What's happening? Is there any news? Which pair going to capture today? Today we're looking at GU, EJ and gold most likely. Alright, EJ closed nicely, but can you see EJ closed right at the resistance? So that's a little bit disappointing that it closed right at the resistance. So now we gotta wait. Only once it comes back up we can look at a position probably at 840. But right now we closed right at resistance, so there's nothing. We need to wait till it closes above resistance, you see? The trade is above resistance over here. Let's readjust. Alright. Is that beep too loud for you? There's Euro, we got news in another 14 minutes. Alright. Let's be careful of the Euro. Padma. Okay, Euro and GBP news today, so let's be careful. GBP USD should continue up now after breaking the previous 2-hour, 3-hour, 4-hour highs, a lot of them. It looks good to continue up, but again, we don't know what's happening where fundamentals is concerned, because over here it shows that we have news that is done. We finished 11:30 AM news, so we're waiting for this news, which is in another 1.5 hour, 1 hour 20 minutes. But when we look, let's look at our economic calendar on Forex Live. Alright. Yeah, okay, so 2 o'clock we have a lot of news. Let's see how that plays out for us. Gold is trying to break up, but it didn't close above, sadly. GU retracing the entire way. Yeah, the 30-minute hasn't closed. The 15-minute has rejected straight away. So can you see the power of your levels? Look at 050. Where did gold close? Right at resistance. It didn't close above resistance. So yeah. Oh, Sumita, you're gonna miss London because of the power cuts. I'm so sorry, man. No problem. Join us on your phone if you want. Alright, so yeah, so GU, I think we have to wait now for a closure above this level on the 30-minute time frame, at least 1 hour or 30-minute time frame. Gold, oh, gold is now moving up. Yeah, it's not showing anything from my zone, you know. So I guess we just gotta wait because it's not showing anything from the zone. So we just gotta wait for gold above this level over here. GJ coming down. "45-minute candle closure up here was really good." Yeah, that's more than 10 pips I think now, pushing 20 pips almost. Yeah, 11 pips down there. Gold is trying to move, GBP USD is trying to move. EJ also struggling to break above 30-minute time frame. Let's see, we got London open in 9 minutes. Let's open it big. Alright, there you can see GU. Quite a few items on screen. Gold is moving on up. Maybe with the news EJ can push up, but anyways, let's see how the price action plays out. Padmavati. Yep, even I am waiting for price action to play out. Kishore, are you looking at anything? Yeah, let's see what EJ does now. So once EJ shows us what it wants to do now, depending on the 30-minute closure, right, then we can decide. Because if you look at it on the 1 hour EJ, we kind of have a clean range coming down. So if the 30-minute closes above here, we should get a push up at London Open. But if the 1 hour starts closing down here, we could get a move back down. So let's see. GU is back up, waiting for the 30-minute closure. 30-minute closure would give us a nice trade. 7 pip stop loss. We put a 10 pip TP. That would be beautiful. And that would be a 1 hour closure above the range. How many of you are looking at GU buys? GU buys playing out. How many of us are looking at GU buys? Do you think we can miss it? There's a potential. I'm taking it with you. Alright, GU buys looking strong. Let's see how this 5-minute candle closes. The thing is, there's a potential that we could miss this. You know, like yesterday. So if we break the high, we should continue up. Would that be a previous 15-minute high? That would be its own high. It's a strong level, so let's wait for that 1 hour closure. Seven seconds. Let's look at GBP USD. Could we potentially miss this? Is 0.75 around a 7 pips stop loss. In expectation of continuation. How many more minutes left? 5 minutes left for London Open. But we could get a better position on the close of this candle. Zelensky. Alright, so this is what I'm looking at for my pending order, right? So we need to see price close above this level. 30-minute time frame has to close above. Without that, we don't get in. Padmavati. So what are your thoughts on UJ? Give me a second, let me check it. Kishore Kumar, yes, even I'm waiting for the GU close above. So we need to wait for this 2-hour candle, this 1-hour candle to close above this. Samita Surya, 2 minutes to 1-hour candle close. Yep, that's what we're waiting for. We need to see price action close above, otherwise we can get faked out at London Open. Is anything else closing? 2-hour candle closing above all those. So yeah, so if we do break this 2-hour candle top wick, we should get a nice move into this 2-hour candle right over here. Gold also is breaking now. GJ is coming up. EJ about to close. Alright, so EJ also is gonna be one big option for me. But GU looks the cleanest, right? So we're gonna wait for GU. GU is the cleanest, so we're gonna wait for it. Come on, GU, let's go. How many seconds left? Exactly 1 minute left. We can wait for the next candle to make a top wick, no problem. Okay, GJ slowly starting to push. GJ, that'll be a 30-minute closure above resistance. It's pushing. EJ also pushing. What is this volume that comes in the last few seconds? Okay, because now that is gone. Alright. EJ is closing above. EJ is pushed too far. Yeah, EJ is pushed a little too far. I will not be looking at EJ. Gold is looking pretty decent, but it has no bottom wick, which is dangerous. Okay, let's look at GU. GU, the break of the previous high. $1095. Let it make a nice lower wick. Market pending. $100 would be my, yeah, because on MetaTrader yeah, that's gonna be my position. We're gonna see how far of a bottom wick we're gonna make first. If we start pushing up now, I will open this. Or what, we can have it below the previous candle. 10 pip. Or should we expect volume? If this now breaks this, then I will reduce this to 10 pips. Alright, are we retesting to continue? Alright, Jews now retested 050. EJ just pushed up like 12 pips straight up. Alright. So that's like a 6 pip stop. Gold pushed down. Gold went straight back into the range. 45-minute time frame, rejecting the 45-minute resistance. GJ coming down. EJ trying to come down. GU coming down. You see why you wait and you observe? Alright, so now this would be our next attempt if we hit this. Alright, let's look. GU looks decent. We broke the 2-hour highs on GJ, so if GJ again starts breaking the 2-hour highs, we can look for a trade. 950 to continue up. Let's just wait for some good stuff like 45-minute candle. Okay, so EJ, I'm only going to be looking above this level now. We really didn't get much of anything. If we had to take it, it had to be from down there, which we didn't. That would have been 12 pip stops, 18 pip gains. Not too bad, not too shabby. GJ honestly looks like it's gonna continue better than GU will. But again, GJ, you're going straight into this range right in front of you. Let's paper trade this, okay? Let's paper trade this GJ from 950. So if we break the 3-hour highs again, 3-hour and 2-hour, will we continue at least for 10 pips? Alright, let's see if we can continue at least for 10 pips. Gold, if gold now gives us a banger down, I wouldn't mind. Euro JPY continuing on up. GBP USD doing its thing. Alright, so if we break this previous 15-minute low and you can say 30-minute lows over here at 11 pips, then this GU trade would be completely invalid for me. I wouldn't want to be in it at all. Yeah. Yeah, EJ, we've now come to the 45-minute resistance, so let's not try that. GU, could we call this a fake out? What is this? 1 hour, 3 hour fake out? Yep. So let's see, when this 50-minute candle closes on GU, we'll know whether it's a fake out or not. So now since we didn't get the GU buys, right? Where can we find the next set of GU buys? You see it? That's where you're gonna find GBP. Okay. Yeah, GJ above that level only. It's the daily flip. Alright guys, so what are we looking at? Can a Mirza Zahir Beg, I love your name, man. Mirza Zahir Beg, that's a beautiful name. So yeah, it's a little confusing market. Definitely a confusing market, because we got all kinds of ranges on ranges, right? So let's see, can we continue? Can the GJ 2 hourly candle continue? Does it have what it takes? Gold at rejection looks really good. On the higher time frames, of course. At least on the 45-minute time frame, it looks really solid. Welcome to the stream, guys. Whoever's there. Also, guys, we've hit 300 subs. Fantastic. Thank you for the support. Beautiful job. Good stuff, good stuff. Do you still respect the previous 15-minute low? And now it just broke it. Almost did. Let's see. It looks tempting, but it's not working, you know? Let's see what happens. GBP USD is coming down hard. GJ going down. Geo with the rejection. What are we talking about? Geo with the rejection straight down. How you see UJ? Let me check UJ. Geo down because of small wick, I think. What do you think, Kishore? Okay, 1 second, Kishore. Let me just check this. UJ. Okay, give me a second, guys. Alright, sorry guys, I'm back. I just had to tend to the front door. Anyway, so UJ, I would say Mirza, don't trade UJ until we break out of there and break below here. So UJ, I would say sells after that level. Is that an early level? It's a little bit of a dangerous area. You want to capture this clean traffic, right? So if we look at the higher time frames, UJ on the 2-hour time frame, you get a clean sell from here with the 4-hour flip. So you can kind of look for a 4-hour flip continuing down on UJ. But on the overall, you want to be careful because you want to start closing below these levels, right? So once we start closing below these levels, you can expect to come to fill in this area. But yeah. Kishore, what do I think of GU? Have we broken? See Kishore, now we broke the previous 3-hour high and the 3-hour low. 2-hour, we broke the low of the 2 hours. So now I think GU is back into a consolidation. Right, we're back into a consolidation and we're breaking this low. So we need to be careful now. GJ, let's redo our analysis on GJ a little bit. Because now we've created a support up here, okay? So when we look at it, the next support is down here. Right, the current support we're looking at is up here. Yeah. Alright, around 650 to around 670, I would say. So you see, once we break below this level, we have 30 pips down to this range, and then we have furthermore. But what we need to keep in mind is we have a 4-hour support right over here at 500 key level. Alright, you'll see what we're looking at on GJ. We need to be very careful. Stay careful, guys. Don't need to over risk and overtrade, because it's unnecessary for you. Yeah, unnecessary risk. Guys, are there any other pairs which are looking a little more exciting than what we're looking at? Alright, welcome. Prime Times, welcome back, my guy. My bank account paired to your bank account. What a lad. So, we're gonna be trading Prime Times Entertainment against DC Trading bank account. Okay, could this be the move? Let's wait for this 45. If the 45-minute closes above this level, we can definitely take it. Gold approaching the zone. Gold, can we close? Let's close below this level, gold. Euro JPY is missing, yeah. Euro JPY continuing on up. 45-minute time frame, waiting for the break and closure above this level. That would be a nice trade to close above here. All right, careful. 25 pip stops. What is up? We could have a volume push beyond this level over here. Pairs are not moving yet. Yep. See, gold is melting. Yep, gold is actually melting, but we haven't closed below. Let's wait for a close below GBP JPY. GJ, if we have a volume move above 162, look at this. I'm plainly looking at it on the 2-hour time frame. Okay, so if we have a volume move, we should break 162 and continue up to clear this entire clean candle. That's if we have a volume move. Alright, GU will kiss the low. What question? GU. Yeah, GU, now since we're back in this range and we're closing, we should have a nice move down on GU to the bottom of the range. GJ is trying to push up. But yeah, I'd say just be careful, because right now we're running into all sorts of traffic. Gold would be our trade if we close below this level. Or at least gold will be our trade if... Yeah, let's just close nice and strong below this level and we can see. Oh, Targaryen. I guess that's Vedant. You're back on another account. Welcome back, welcome back. Pairs are not moving yet. Yep, we're waiting for that volume move to come in now. GJ 162 we are moving right now, so can we get that 2-hour push? Alright, GJ is pushing now. Damn. EJ about to close above this level in 8 minutes. Gold 9 minutes to power cut. I'm going to out of here. Oh man, Samita, take care, man. GU should sell. We are only looking for sells below this level on GU, so don't look at any of this stuff for sells. Oh man, that was a 12 pip move on GJ. What's your take 1-to-1? Yeah, that's what I'm waiting for. Oh man, GJ moved. EJ, let's hope EJ gives us a nice move over here. 45-minute time frame closure. 1 hour has no bottom wick. 2 hour has no bottom wick. See, now this is where it gets skeptical, you know. But you're taking it plainly on the 45-minute time frame. GJ tapped the level we were talking about. GJ tapped the level we are talking about. And so 1-to-1 looks good, Vedant. Man, GJ, we broke that down and that happened so fast. You could have taken it off the 2 hour rip or the 1 hour rip, 15-minute rip. Discord link please. I was able to open Discord yesterday. That's awesome. Let me just send you the Discord link. Oh, Q low bottom wick and we're flipping now, so GJ should also move. Yeah, I think EJ looks good for that. Oh, EJ just yeeted out of that zone. That would be the 45-minute closure, so we can take a buy on GU when this candle closes back out with this bullish candle. GJ, EJ. So London is carrying a lot of volume, guys. London is carrying a lot of volume. Come on guys, as you come and say what's up. If you're new to the stream, just say what's up, put a comment and let us know what's popping off on your end. Gold on the rip. Geo is looking so good, to be honest. Look at that, we're about to close. So Geo and EJ is what I'll be looking at. Oh, what is happening? It's just pushing. Alright. Don't sleep on gold now. Yeah.
GU, are you gonna enter? I think if you wait for a bottom wick, it should be good.
Yeah, Geo should be good. EJ looks really neat on the 45-minute time frame. Yeah, GJ also gonna close above 45-minute resistance. GJ, that breakdown was good, but we didn't take it. $12 pips. EJ. Let's make a bottom wick EJ.
You're getting into EJ?
EJ looks a lot better because GU, I'm not seeing the range on GU. GU buys up.
Yeah, I'm gonna get in.
Alright, GU is the cleanest, so we're gonna try GU once we flip this candle. So 140, and we can have a nice decent stop. We'll use the current candle low itself as a stop.
3 pip stops.
Yeah, around 4 pips almost.
That huge 20 pip rejection. No, too much confidence it gives.
Yeah, that does give quite a bit of confidence. Let's see. Good, spreads are low on GU, so
I'm in.
you're in. I'm not yet in. It hasn't activated just yet. We should be in any second now. Yes, I'm in.
Alright.
Alright, we're in. Let's run this up, Geo.
Let's go, Jew.
Let's hold this low. Okay, I bring my stops to the 5-minute low. So there you go. I brought my stops down to the 5-minute low. Let's just hold it at the 5-minute low. Right over here. Around 10 pips. Expectation for Geo to continue pushing up. So yeah, I think this looks pretty decent. What is this? 10 pip stops almost? Yeah. 140 is my entry. 140, yeah. 9 pip stops basically. There's some volume in the market. I want to see a nice volume push up.
Wow, it's just playing around at the entry only, man.
It's alright, it's alright. Hold it. Yeah, it's playing at entry, but this should be pretty decent. Well, as we start coming down, you can decide whether you want to close half or not. So as we break this wick, stops the break even.
The current wick.
Yeah. Because I won't go back to negative again. If I fall for you, don't know. So now if we break the previous 5-minute low, right?
Yeah.
Then that would be dangerous. Because then we can start moving down.
We'll see the downtrend.
Yeah, we don't want to see price actually start moving down. We want to see price fly up. Alright, come on, let's get that push in now. Alright. Now I definitely don't want it to break the previous 5-minute low. Was that a break of the previous 5-minute low? Not yet. Oh, on MetaTrader trading view, it's done that. So I closed half and I leave my position running. That's actually a pretty big difference, eh? MetaTrader and trading view.
Yeah.
So there you go. That's a 4 pip loss. So you can see, right, all GBP pairs have now rejected this level. GBP GU buys EJ. You wanna buy EJ now? Come on, man. Look at the chart. Look at what it's showing you. Why would you wanna buy EJ now? Alright, you see why we exited GU, Gypsy?
Yep.
Are you still in?
Holding, yeah.
Alright. There's a little more space to come retest and continue. Gold closed below and went 10 pips, but for gold that's a very slow move. $30 pip fall on GJ.
Yeah.
Let's see. Candle pushing in the last few minutes only. Yeah, Kishore. That's been happening. So now we should be getting used to London Open and that volume coming in with London Open. That GBP strength in London Open is crazy. EJ fake out on the 5-minute time frame. I think that will soon be GU. EJ. So there you go. You remember we had that zone up here on GU? And we said we'll buy above. Look, we tapped into that zone and came right back down. So there you go. Gold also is barely moving. That was about 20 pips. GJ just a volume push though, yeah. GJ was just a volume push, now it's returned completely. Now the volume is pushing down. There you go. So you can see GU. GU is about to fake out once the 1 hour closes down below there. That's gonna be a 3 hour and 4 hour fake out. Ooh, GJ, look at that 1 hour candle wick. 30 pip rejection on GJ. GA is setting up to move. GBP is it? GA will only move once we break below this level. Oh, GA has a fake out too. Yeah, Tango, very true. I managed to squeeze 7 pips on gold. There is volume, but it dies instantly. Very tough to trade today. Very true, Tango. Anyways, a 30 pip GJ buy. Anyways, a 30 from the 162 level. That's correct, Padmavati. That's what we spoke about. The 162 by volume push. Right, that was pretty good. So yeah, tomorrow we can take some of that. That's the 35 pip. Gold's not really moving, so be careful. Is anyone in gold? Let's check it. All right. Mm. So next time we need to focus up on those buys and sells which come with the volume. Gold is continually making lower highs on 1 hour time frame, so we can expect it to continue down. Yeah, that's what we're seeing. So let's see how gold reacts to this zone down here. Yes, yes. Those people who need to practice their risk management well, today is the day. On point, Mark. Today is the day for risk management. Euro JPY. There you go. That's where we're looking for buys next. Yeah, this looks clean. To the top, to retest the top, could we? It's a bit messy. Just gonna leave it for today. Yeah, Padmavati, that seems better. If the structure, market structure is messed up on gold, then you can leave it. Alright, will gold begin to move now finally? But there's not enough range. What's poppin', Saul? How you doing? GJ, that was a beautiful trade on GJ. But again, GJ, when we look at it, we're looking at a lot of impulse entries. Not gonna lie, that's what we're looking at. Guys, if you don't see a trade, don't take a trade. GU with a major rejection down. I don't know. I don't like GU. Let's take a vote. How many of us agree? Wanna still keep GU? We can just focus on GJ, EJ, and gold. How many of us agree to remove? Oh, that was a good sell actually. 20 pip on there. $30 pips up here. Mark, in hindsight, we all look brilliant. Yes, Mark, definitely. You're looking brilliant today. You're looking real good. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Gypsy,
Hello.
out of GU.
Hey, long back.
Alright, good. 1%.
No. Much low. 6 pips.
Oh, okay, that's good. GJ is better than GU. GU looks choppy almost most of the times. Exactly, Padmavati. That's what I'm saying. GU is just so bad. So choppy compared to GJ. Alright. GJ continuing down. Damn. It is no good going back in time saying that was the trade. Definitely. When at the time it looks a mess, wait for the higher time frame. On point, Mark. Patience is key, definitely. I guess it was because of USD involvement in GU. Most likely. K1 Beats, welcome to the stream. What is good, my lad? What is good? EJ buys. Where are we seeing EJ buys? Mansa Musa, where are we seeing EJ buys, my lad? Lol. EJ profits taken always. Lol. Where it retested structure had broken. If it continues to push down, because US 30 will go up to. Alright, that makes sense. What's up, Prime Times? Are you bossless right? That's a good question. Ask him, Tango. Ask him. Okay, let's see. Yes, and broke. Oh, prime times. Then where did I type that out? Prime times. If someone wanted to trade our bank accounts against each other's, right? This is how the chart will look. Prime Times Entertainment and SDC. That is how our bank account pairs are gonna look. Can't trade, mine's going bankruptcy. What is the meaning of life, Vedant? What is the meaning of life? Yeah, I mean, oh, prime times is the meaning. Interesting. Very interesting. Alright, let's slowly come below 650. Yeah. Let's see what it does now. What it do? On the 1 hour time frame, there was a big level. 6 pip level. Is GJ coming down? This new 15-minute candle. Gold is like playing over there. Guys, just take it easy. Take it easy. There's no need to force a trade today. No need to force a trade today. There's New York session coming up. It should be pretty decent. Life means letting it flow easily. Interesting. Patience is the key, Penuel, no doubt. Learning immune function enhancement. Damn. You guys are a little deep, not gonna lie. But why GJ not flowing easily? You lads need a lot of help. It's another 20 pips on GJ falling. EJ falling. Oh, okay. Can GJ come down to this level? 2-hour level. Can we close? Can we close below this 2-hour level? Yeah, 4 are also gonna flip at this level, 500. Okay, let's clean our charts up and see what we can look for. Alright, look at the 1 hour time frame on gold. Buys above 2 hour time frame on gold, buys above this level 128 to 128 500. Stuck in a dirty range. Let's just check this out. Alright. 4 hour closure below 1917 or 1916. Alright, 4 hour closure below that level. 2 hours coming down. So gold is not interesting. Till we get a 4 hour closure. So gold, we're only going to be waiting on the 4 hour closure in order to re-enter this range where we can come at least down till here. That's 170 pips away. And honestly, that level is just waiting. 19 flat. 1900 flat to 1998, let's say. Or 1899, there you go. That's what we're gonna wait for. Gold break below this level because it's a very strong level. Previously this was a fake out on gold, so we're gonna ignore this fake out. We're just gonna expect a wick fill. Alright. On EJ we've now rejected coming back up. One hour. Three-hour time frame. All right. I'm gonna be waiting for this level, for a 3-hour closure above this level, and then we can see 45-minute candle closures above that. In order to keep it clean, we will delete this. Yes, the support is down here at 480. 480 to around 440 is what we've drawn. So I'm gonna start looking directly below this level over here. Yeah. This is the 4-hour support also, so that should be pretty decent. So EJ, we're looking for direction on the 4-hour closure and 3-hour closure, which should close together. Yep. Gold, we're looking for 4-hour closure. GJ, what shall we look for on GJ? There's a daily flip. So there you go, this is where the daily flip is at. So we're gonna look for the closure above this level here. Alright. Oh God. GJ higher time frame giving us sell setups, yeah. So that's it, just wait it out right over here. 3-hour closure. Okay, so we wait, we wait for this 4-hour closure at key level 500. Alright, so from here to here it's a very intense zone, because I'm not looking to trade in the zone, I want to get out of the zone. I'm not gonna care about that level. If $280. Alright, so now you see what we're gonna look at. Alright, okay, so this is my analysis on GJ. Alright, so that's what I'm gonna be looking for. EJ, GJ, both 3-hour and 4-hour levels. We need to see where it's gonna close in 45-minute time. Okay, and on gold, bring to the front. We're gonna ignore this fake out. Alright, there you go. No fake out. Alright, so we want to take this clean candle right over here down. Alright guys, so there you go. I've broken all the pairs for y'all. I've broken it all down, and y'all can use the analysis as for when y'all are gonna take the trade or not. And then we can take a look at it in the NY session. Alright, so that's it from me. That's my analysis on it all. If you want to join us on Discord or Instagram, it's in the comments. Alright, Discord, Instagram, Telegram. We're waiting for Telegram to hit at least a good 40 or 50 members before we start actively using it. EJ also looking a little skeptic, but we're gonna watch and see what's gonna play out. Alright, EJ again deciding. So if EJ 2 hour closes below this level, solid closure, that'll be for us. GJ, if we close back into this previous range, again solid closure for us. EJ gold. So there you go, that's my analysis. I'm gonna head off, guys. It's 1 o'clock where I am. It's about to be 2 o'clock. There's some news coming out at 2 o'clock if I'm not mistaken. Euro news or GBP news. So yeah, so that'll be interesting to see because that'll determine where we're gonna go and close and everything. Alright, so I'm gonna call it a stream. You guys take care, be safe, trade safe, don't over risk, don't over trade, and see you guys tomorrow morning at the London session.